Hello, welcome to Math with Dotun. Let's look at these exercises. Alright, we're looking at Roman numerals, and if you're getting to see this now, we have a video introducing Roman numerals, right? Giving you everything you need to master Roman numerals. Make sure you check in the playlist. Alright, let's apply some of those things we've learned in this video. So we are to find the numbers that the following Roman numerals represent. So we're looking at CCXL first. CCXL. So what do we do here? We already know our tens, 10 to 1 to 9. Counting in tens to 100. We can also count in 100 to 1000. And then from there we can identify our numbers. So let's split this number into unit, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, so the first thing is for us to check. Remember unit, what I'm trying to say, unit, tens, 100, 1000, all right, and like that. But since we are only dealing with thousands in this Roman numerals, okay, we stop at 1000. So we check in this number, can we find 1000? Any 1000, 1000, 2000? No. 1000 is M, right? So we don't have anything like that. So next is for us to check for 100. So what's the 100 here? We can see CC, right? C is 100, C is 100. So CC will be 200. Is that not? So that will be 200 plus, we're going to put plus here. So now we look for the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here we have 10, but after it we have a bigger number which is 50. So we know that this 10 minus 50, all right, which is 40. Or from our memory we already know that XL is 40. But if you can't remember that from your memory, once you check, you see 10, and then you realize that the next letter after it is bigger, then you know that's a subtraction. So this will be 50 minus 10, okay, and that is 40, okay, and that will give us what? Do we have any units or ones? None, right? Okay, so the answer is 240. Okay, we'll move to the next one. We'll check, is there 1000, 2000, 3000, 1000? None. Okay, 100, C, CC, CCC, CD, DC, DCC, none. Okay, then we move to tens. X, XX, 20, XXS, 30. Okay, now we can see XXX here, right? Which is what? 30. And then units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we see V here, which is 5. Okay, and that will be 35. Okay, the third one, we have CCXCVIII. So let's go back to our 1000, 100, tens, and units. So 1000 here. Is there any M or MM or MMM? All right, none. So no 1000. We'll move to 100. 100 here, we can see CC. All right, CC is what? 200. Of course, you're right, 200. So CC is 200, then followed by XC. XC is 90, right? And then if you have mistakenly written 10, and then you want to check the other one, you see that it's 100. Oh, 10 before 100, you know that is 100 minus 10, which is 90, right? Okay, and then we're done with the tens. We'll move to the ones, the units. We have VIII, and that's 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 plus 3, which is 8. All right. So 200 plus 90 plus 8, that is 298. That is what? 298. And then to the last one here. Let's start again. We're checking. We're writing it in expanded form. All right, what we're doing is that we interpret it in expanded form. And then when you want to write too, we'll get to that. When you want to write in Roman numerals too, we also go back to, we'll split the number in the expanded form and then put it together. All right, so 1,000. We can see M here, right? C is 100, so this 1,000. So that means we have 1,000. And then next we have 100. But after the 100, there is 1,000. So that's 1,000 minus 100. And CM is 900. All right? Then we'll move to the tens. We're done with MCM, 1,900. And then you have 50 plus 30. And that is 80, right? 50 plus 30. LXXX. That is 80. Okay, and then we're done with the tens. Then for the units, you have IV, 1 and 5. So that's 5 minus 1, which is what? 4. Okay, so let me write the answer under here. 1,984. 1,984. And that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. In this particular video, I'm not going to give you any exercise. I want you to give me one. Yeah, I want you to give me an exercise. So drop a number in Roman numerals for me in the comments, and I will change it to the Indo-Arabic number for you. I'll change it to, I'll tell you the number it represents. Okay, so give me some Roman numerals in the comments and let me change them for you. Thank you. Bye.